What is good for the head is good for the neck. 2 is better than 1. We want both Rigathi Gachagua and William Ruto impeached, because whatever Rigathi Gachagua has done, William Ruto has done it 10 times, if not 100 times. And this is what we are telling our members of parliament. You refuse to listen to us on the finance bill. This time round, act wisely. I'm urging all Kenyans in every part and corner of Kenya, tembelea mbunge wenu. Hata kama amejificha Nairobi, make sure mtembelee kwake. Tell them that our message is simple. We want that impeachment motion rectified, because haina shida, iko tu na ka small clerical error. We want 2 names on that impeachment motion, and that is the name of Rigathi Gachagua together with his boss William Ruto. They came as a package, they are going to leave as a package together. Therefore, tomorrow, as they do public participation in different counties, make sure you turn up and your voice should be heard loud and clear that the hashtag is impeach both. I will be at the KICC tomorrow very early in the morning. In fact, mimi ndo nitafungua mkutano. I'll be there in the morning at KICC to make our voice heard, to speak on my behalf and on the behalf of people who believe that both of these leaders are failed Kenyans. And after that, I'll be headed to the Milimani Law Courts, where a ruling will be delivered on my case, which I'm being witch hunted. Otherwise, kesho tuko site. Make sure you reserve enough energy, carry packed lunch. This is not a demonstration. So police, do not overreact, do not misbehave, don't provoke us, don't turn a peaceful public participation into a demonstration. This is me urging you to act wisely. I want to sympathize with the comrades of Moi University, where some students have been shot by police. I stand with you, the comrades of Moi University, and we are going to do something very serious about the situation at Moi University. I'm also aware that you lost 1,500 acres of your land, which was given on a purported lease to a private developer. We are going to revisit as I come for the launch tours for the Rift Valley this weekend. Thank you, and see you tomorrow, pale kwa site, kwa ground, anywhere in Kenya where you will be, where public participation will be happening. Don't forget, impeach them both. And if they don't do it, msijali, sisi ndio dawa ya wabunge. What is the work of the syringe? It is to inject. We are going for Occupy Parliament Season 2. If they do not listen to our voice the same way they didn't listen to the finance bill, we are going for Occupy Parliament Season 2. So don't waste your energy. Make sure you preserve it for the grand finale of Occupy Parliament Season 2. Thank you and God bless.